Welcome to SkillResy. Let's walk through the journey of setting up your account and your profile. Create an account. Select Candidate. Enter your credentials. And sign up. Log in to access your dashboard. Before we start, let's complete your profile. Your profile is the engine that powers everything on the platform. Enter your personal details and contact info. Then log your work experience with roles and descriptions. Set your desired job title and level so SkillResy can align with your goals. Add your target industries, education history, technical skills, and languages to finish the setup. Once submitted, your profile is 100% ready to go.